Hey guys, today we got a Eufy vacuum cleaner that's stuck in the spinning position. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix it. Well, actually, what I'm going to show you is probably one of the other different issues that could be wrong with it, but you can go ahead and try this one and see what happens. Okay, guys, my Eufy is a little bit dirty, so excuse that, but anyway, what you want to do first is go ahead and take all of these screws out. They should be located around the edge of the Eufy. You could just use a regular screwdriver for that. Once they'll come off just like so. And if you'd be able to pull that off too. What I did was I cleaned the lenses. So you got a few of them here. Clean all of those. Clean the front lens too. Then also check this thing here. If it has anything stuck in there, you want to get that out. I used a knife and screwdriver and scissors to pry out debris out of there. Check your wheels. Make sure you don't have anything in there too. Also, you can clean this, but it really wouldn't affect that too much. And wipe off your sensors. Just use a regular paper towel with a little drop of water to wipe everything down. After you go ahead and wipe everything down, you want to snap the front back in place. We're going to go ahead and test it before I put the screws back in. I also forgot to mention to make sure that you turn the off switch, the power switch off before you start to take everything apart, but I'm going to go ahead and switch it back on. Once you powered everything on, let's see if it works. Alright, and it goes forward. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe.